Fermented plant juice production. So in this video, we're going to teach you about FPJ. So, what is FPJ? It is made from auxiliary buds and young fruits, fast-growing plants, young leaves of plants and grasses, mixed with crude sugar or molasses. The juice is extracted and fermented after storing for a period of time. So the ingredients are lemongrass, malunggay, and brown sugar.
So before we proceed with the production, we must wear PPE and implement proper hygiene among ourselves.
So first thing we did, kailangan tumigba sa can, 6 a.m. na siya. And as gingon sa mong guide, gikan sa no up nga dapat ang among ingredients kay mapick siya early in the morning. So mo ni.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna chop some kamunggay and lemongrass.
So as per instructions, gikan sa no up, wala na mo gi-wash ang ingredients na mo since kailangan na contain gyapon ang microorganisms dana sa plant parts. And of course, naggamit na yung PPE and with a proper technique sa paggamit sa kitchen knife. And also, nag-cut rami sa mga part nga kung bata-bata pa. So after pag-chop sa ingredients, kaya mo din siya gibutang sa pikas nga libre nga container. And then gimix din siya with brown sugar, which is 1:1 ratio ang ingredients nga lemongrass, malunggay, and sa brown sugar, which is also 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram each.
Alright guys, mori ang awag silver container for our FPJ. So kani siya kay isa rin siya ka 10 liters ka the bottle, water bottle, then amo siya gikat for away mo siya na yung container.
So after na mix with everything, kay separate na putak mo siya sa lain na container, which is katong bottle na 10 liters.
At na dayon siyang i-cover with plastic cellophane, and we will ferment it for at least 5 to 7 days. Then ang pag-cover ani is that dapat secure siya and hugot. So para mahugot siya, pwede mo siya i-higtan.
So after 7 days na ni, prior sa pag-ferment na mo, muna ni siya ang outcome.
So to extract more sa liquid, amo siyang gi-squeeze by hand. Pero na-find out na mo, dili siya buga na kayo. So ang among gibuhat kay nag-squeeze na lang gamit cloth. Pero wala man na mo siya na video sadly. This is the final product, which is the fermented plant juice.